Hey, in this video we will discuss about addition of HX on alkene. This is very simple electrophilic addition reaction. You can see the substrate is alkene and the reagent is HX. For example, we have R CH double bond CH2. Whenever it will react with HX, on the HX hydrogen is electrophilic side and the halogen is nucleophilic side, as you can see, because halogen have more electronegative, that's why it possesses more electronegativity, more electron density. Okay, and alkene is a nucleophilic in nature, and you can see in this product the alkene double bond which will change into the pi bond will change into the single bond, two single bond, or we can say two sigma bond. So the product will be X or H. You can see in the product there is a addition of HX. That's why the reaction is called addition reaction. But why we are calling it electrophilic addition reaction? Electrophilic addition reaction. Why? Because firstly, the nucleophilic density of alkene will be attack on halogen. This is electrophilic side. Because of first addition will happen by hydrogen, that's why it's calling electrophilic addition reaction. Okay. Now we will discuss about the mechanism, what will exactly happen in this reaction. So let's talk about mechanism. Okay. So in this reaction, we have RCH double bond CH2. Firstly, the nucleophilic density will attack on the hydrogen sigma star orbital. Okay, the sigma star orbital, which is electrophilic in nature. So firstly, nucleophilic density will attack on hydrogen and halogen will be removed. So this is the RDS step of this reaction, rate determining step of this reaction. In this step, carb cation will be formed, as you can see, CH2, and hydrogen will attach here and the carb cation will be formed. Okay. In this step, we have two options to form carb cation. Hydrogen can be attached on this carbon or on this carbon. We have two options, but we will form more stable carb cation. That's why we choose it. Otherwise, minor carb cation can be also formed. Okay. In the next step, halogen will be attack on this carb cation. So the product are CH, CH2, hydrogen and halogen. Okay. Let's focus on this halogen, this species. This is very interesting species of this reaction. Trust me, this is literally very interesting. You can see this species is carb cation, which is intermediate. Carb cation intermediate. And carb cation have property to rearrange. It has property to rearrange itself. Okay. That's why if we have option to rearrange the carb cation, it will happen. It will simply happen. Okay, I will explain you. Just give me 1 minute. That okay. For example, you have this carb cation in this reaction. You are forming. Okay. For example, you have this reagent, and you are adding HX on this reaction. Okay. So in this step, you can form this carb cation because this is more stable carb cation after addition of hydrogen. This is RDS step. So you will form this carb cation, right? Hydrogen will attach on this carbon. Now you can see we have this carbon, and now the chance where halogen will be attached. But before it will attach with this carb cation, it will go through by rearrangement. And what is rearrangement exactly? That carb cation can exchange its position with alkyl group or halogen group where it is stable, it is more stable. So in this reaction you can see there is a hydrogen and there is a 2R groups, 2CH3 group, right? So here hydrogen will take place of cation and cation will takes place of hydrogen, and resultant we will found the more stable carb cation as a product, and the rearrangement will like this. Okay, hydrogen will remove to take electron from this bond and it will attach on this carbon, so automatically carb cation will form here. Now the halogen will be attached here. Okay, in the another video I will explain you rearrangement in the detail, but here I am discussing about the briefing. Okay, we are taking only briefing of rearrangement. So you can see here now the halogen will attach here. Okay, so as you can see the HX will attach, HX will react like this with the alkene. If we are talking about the property, we have HX, for example, we have HI, we have HBr, we have HCl, or we have HF. Okay, which group will react more? So HI can react rapidly, then HBr, then HCl, and then HF. Okay, the rate of HI is more than another halogens group. Okay, hydrogen and halogen group, as you can see. Now the now the attachment of HX group on the alkene is based on rule of Markovnikov rule. This is electrophilic addition reaction. So if it will follow Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. Okay, Markovnikov gives two rules for electrophilic addition reaction. For electrophilic addition reaction, we have two rules of Markovnikov. First rule says that nucleophile attach where? Nucleophile attach where on alkene, the number of hydrogen is less. Okay, for example, we have simply this substrate, so nucleophile of reagent will be attached where their number of hydrogen, you can see here only one hydrogen and here is only two hydrogen, so one hydrogen will takes nucleophile. Okay, this is first rule. And second rule says that okay, firstly carb cation will be formed and after rearrangement nucleophile will be attached here. This is very simple as we are following mechanism here. Okay, so the second rule says nucleophile attach on more stable carb cation. This is very simple rule, but universally we will follow here electrophilic addition reaction. The second rule is more preferred than first rule because you can see there is a drawbacks of first rule. As you can see in this example, according to first law, the nucleophile will be attached where the number of hydrogen is less, but you can see in this site number of hydrogen is less, so nucleophile attached there, but in the product the nucleophile is attached, it is attaching on different site. And why it is happening? Because of rearrangement of carb cation. That's why here Markovnikov second rule is preferred. It says that okay, nucleophile will attach on where more stable carb cation will be formed. That's very simple as that. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about addition of HX on the alkene. Thank you.